If you are trying to sell digital products with no followers or a small following, here's a strategy that I'm testing right now. That actually I'm getting some algorithm traction, and we are talking about trial reels. So we're going to use trial reels to know what's working and what is not. So the step one is to make a video, 3 videos with the same video, with the same audio. Just we are going to change the hook. One sentence can complete the entire page. The step two, we are going to track the keywords from the non-followers. So we can tell here, like, oh, this is valued or not getting traction. And the step three, we're going to use a three-part CTA, that's spark DMs and shares. So we can share a quick story, hit to a pain point, and then say like comment whatever trick, and I will say blah 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 blah. So this is going to be designed to spark DMs and shares. So this is not about going viral. It's about learning what converts. And I'm still testing. But if you want to try this, in the video description, you can find the three-step test trick that you can download and use for free. So see you next time.